Hello and welcome to the session. Leading and Managing Teams LO3. Understand how to improve individual and team performance. How can you enhance both individual and team performance? This video explores strategies to boost productivity and motivation. Discover key techniques and theories that drive success. Setting SMART goals is essential for guiding efforts. Specific goals provide clear direction. Measurable goals allow tracking of progress. Achievable goals ensure feasibility. Timely goals create a sense of urgency. Investing in training enhances skill sets. Development opportunities lead to growth. Workshops and courses offer valuable learning. Mentoring provides personalized guidance. Continuous learning boosts performance. Regular feedback identifies strengths and weaknesses. Constructive criticism fosters improvement. Coaching offers support in personal growth. It provides a framework for performance enhancement. Effective feedback is key to development. Appraisals assess performance against criteria. They highlight areas needing improvement. Regular assessments ensure consistent progress. They help in setting future goals. Performance reviews guide career development. Recognizing achievements boosts morale. Reward systems reinforce positive behavior. Acknowledgement motivates individuals to excel. It encourages continued high performance. Recognition is vital for job satisfaction. Activities enhance team communication. They build trust among members. Collaboration improves through shared experiences. Team building fosters a positive environment. It leads to improved team performance. Defining roles prevents misunderstandings. Clear responsibilities ensure task coverage. It enhances accountability within the team. Clarity in roles boosts efficiency. It aligns team efforts towards goals. Efficient conflict management maintains team harmony. It prevents disruptions in work. Resolving issues promptly is crucial. It fosters a positive work environment. Conflict resolution enhances team dynamics. Open communication aligns team goals. Transparency builds trust among members. Regular updates keep everyone informed. Effective communication enhances collaboration. It is key to successful teamwork. A shared vision unites team members. It focuses efforts towards common objectives. Clear goals enhance team motivation. They provide direction and purpose. Shared goals lead to better performance. Involving everyone in decisions increases ownership. It fosters commitment to outcomes. Diverse perspectives enhance decision quality. Collective input boosts team morale. It strengthens team cohesion. Maslow's theory explains motivation through needs. Fulfillment of basic needs is crucial. Esteem needs drive recognition and achievement. Self-actualization leads to peak performance. Understanding needs boosts motivation. Hertzberg distinguishes motivators from hygiene factors. Motivators drive job satisfaction. Hygiene factors prevent dissatisfaction. Balancing both is essential for performance. Managers should focus on enhancing motivators. Vroom's theory links effort to performance. Expectancy influences motivation. Performance leads to rewards. Understanding this link boosts motivation. Managers should clarify effort-reward relationships. This theory emphasizes intrinsic motivation. Autonomy enhances personal satisfaction. Competence boosts confidence and performance. Relatedness fosters a sense of belonging. Supporting these elements increases motivation. Specific goals enhance focus and effort. Challenging goals drive higher performance. Goal setting provides direction for tasks. It aligns individual efforts with objectives. Managers should set clear goals. Improving performance aids career growth. It opens doors to promotions and new roles. Skill enhancement boosts professional value. Continuous improvement increases marketability. Career advancement is a key motivator. High performance builds a strong reputation. It earns respect from colleagues and leaders. Consistent excellence sets you apart. A good reputation enhances career prospects. It contributes to professional success. Effective performance drives business success. It boosts productivity and efficiency. High-quality work enhances brand reputation. Satisfied customers lead to loyalty and growth. Performance is key to profitability. High-performing teams excel in innovation. They find creative solutions to challenges. Problem-solving drives competitive advantage. Innovation keeps businesses adaptable. It is essential for long-term success. In conclusion, understanding how to improve individual and team performance is essential for achieving organizational success. This involves setting clear objectives, providing regular feedback, offering training and development opportunities, and motivating individuals to perform at their best. Supporting teamwork, effective communication, and collaboration further enhances overall performance. Understanding these approaches enables leaders to create a positive and productive working environment that supports continuous improvement. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 436 1688.